Man, you know they got down dole out these shit, man.
Yeah, I heard a nigga got put in the motherfucking dog cage.
I don't know nothing about no dog.
Man, y'all need to know y'all stupid hell about that.
Man, I ain't did it, man. I ain't put nobody.
Know y'all need to go in jail about this shit.
Soldiers put
That was your ass, bro.
I ain't got
I
nothing
was
to do
taking
with
that
that
shit,
shit,
bro. I ain't had nothing to do with that shit, bro.
Nobody.
Hey, look, I don't give a fuck about that, man. Tell that nigga he don't have my goddamn money, I know something.
Damn, bro.
So stupid, man.
I don't give a damn how he get it.
Damn. Don't do it, bro.
Gonna be another nigga dead.
Man, we got caught with this bullshit, man. Nobody got time for this shit, man. Come on, all that scary ass shit, man.